Mung bean or Ndengu is a plant-based protein that's so easy to make and delicious, not forgetting that it's vegan friendly. I'm going to be spicing mine up by adding a few ingredients which are so easy to get and make some delicious mung bean curry or Ndengu curry. So let's get started. To get started, you'll need to parboil your Ndengu for around 20 minutes, or you can pick one, squish in between your fingers, and if you don't feel anything, add the Ndengu or mung beans are ready. I'm going to get started with this curry by placing a pot over medium flame, add in some cooking oil, and because I've already prepped everything, it's going to be very fast. I'm going to add in my onions to my pan. Saute your onions until soft. When the onions are soft, I'm going to add in 4 cloves of crushed garlic. Cook the garlic for around 30 seconds until the raw garlic flavor is gone. When you notice that the garlic is starting to have a very nice golden brown color, you're going to add in 3 diced tomatoes, tomato paste, the tomato paste is going to add in some extra color, and also it's going to add in that tomato flavor that we need. So to my pan also, I'm going to be adding in carrots because they take a while to cook. And when it comes to spices, I love adding some warm spices to my curries. So I have some curry powder, garam masala, cumin, paprika, and some turmeric for some color. Also, I'm going to be adding in some seasoning cube. While my tomatoes and carrots are cooking, I'm going to add in my spices, salt. This is to fully season the curry, and also I'm going to be adding in some sugar to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes and tomato paste. Give everything a stir. Add in some coriander stems. Don't throw away your coriander stems because they're full of flavor. Toss everything in the tomatoes and carrots together with the spices. And because my tomatoes are fully cooked, I'm going to add in my parboiled Ndengu. Toss the parboiled Ndengu in the tomato sauce, and so far this is how the Ndengu is looking like. I'm going to add in a splash of water so that the Ndengus can boil together with the spices. Stir in. At this point, you're going to check if the seasoning is perfect in the curry. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in more salt. I've added about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to my curry so that I can fully season mine. So I'm going to let this simmer on medium-low flame for around 3 minutes, and make sure to watch over your pot because Ndengu usually burns very fast. Also make sure to add enough water so that your Ndengu can get saucy. After around 3 minutes, I'm going to check on my Ndengu, and this is how it's looking. It's well seasoned. The carrots are soft and everything is looking perfect. So I'm going to add in my capsicum. Cook for around a minute until the capsicum is a little bit soft. So I'm going to garnish with some coriander. Put out the flames. Stir in the coriander into the curry. And wow, Delish. Serve up this delicious Ndengu curry over some chapati or rice and it's going to be so good. The Ndengu curry is looking fantastic. I love the colors and also it's well seasoned. So definitely this is a recipe that is worth trying and also it's budget friendly. Catch you on my next episode.